Hello and welcome to Monstoys. Thank you for joining me today. We are constructing Lego Friends Heartlake Summer Pool. This set is amazing. It contains loads and loads of sections and parts, which make a truly stunning pool. This kit comes with 5 bags of Lego parts, 2 books and a sticker sheet. Let's begin! We are going to start by bringing Andrea to life, and we follow with her friend Martina. And just like that, the girls are ready. This is going to be a watchtower for a lifeguard. Safety first! Oops! I think I stuck the top wrong way around. And of course, we can't forget the board with rules. Can you guess what this is going to be? I will give you a minute. You can now probably guess this is a couch retreat. And a jacuzzi. Next section is a juice bar. It has a mixer to mix fruits in order to prepare all the yummy cocktails. And now it's time to build a restroom or a toilet, whichever you want to call it. Pink door for privacy. And the cupboard on the side. Yay! We made it! We're building the actual pool. We'll start with the walls and the waterfall. This bit here is going to be a jumping board. Now, we extend the bottom of the pool and build the rest of the side walls. We add decorations on the outside and the inside. Oh, I just love this aquarium. It has plants and fish. Oh, it's brilliant. This space here is for showers. Slides! Yay! So cool! Of course, we need ladders to get to the top. And at the top here we have another smaller pool. Time for sound system. And we finish off with top section, decorations and accessories girls needs in the pool. And there it is. Majestic, fun and colorful Heartlake summer pool. Let's have a look. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please click like and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, comment below and tell me if you'd like to have a weekend away in a Heartlake summer pool. I definitely would.